The Tesla Cybertruck is a revolutionary electric pickup that challenges traditional automotive design and performance. With its futuristic aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and all-electric powertrain, the Cybertruck redefines what a modern truck can be. Built for adventure, utility, and sustainability, it stands as a bold statement in the industry, offering unparalleled strength, efficiency, and innovation. Whether on rugged terrain or city streets, the Cybertruck is designed to handle it all while pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle engineering. At the core of the Cybertruck's performance is Tesla's powerful electric drivetrain, available in single, dual, and tri-motor configurations. The top-tier tri-motor 𝙏𝙀𝙀𝙄𝙀𝙀 variant delivers insane acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, a feat unheard of in the pickup segment. With a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, it outperforms many traditional gas-powered trucks. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, automatically adjusting ground clearance for off-road adventures or highway cruising. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities further enhance safety and convenience, making the Cybertruck a high-tech powerhouse. The Cybertruck's exterior is like nothing else on the road. Its sharp, angular design and ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton make it virtually indestructible. The armor glass windows add an extra layer of durability, designed to withstand extreme impacts. Unlike conventional pickups, its monoplane body structure enhances aerodynamics while maintaining a futuristic, almost sci-fi appearance. The built-in retractable tonneau cover provides security for cargo, while the spacious vault bed offers 100 cubic feet of lockable storage, making it one of the most practical and versatile trucks available. Inside, the Cybertruck offers a minimalist yet ultra-modern interior. A massive 17-inch touchscreen serves as the central command hub, providing access to Tesla's latest software updates, navigation, and entertainment features. The seating for 6 is spacious, with a futuristic dashboard made from sustainable materials. The expansive glass roof enhances the sense of space and allows natural light to flood the cabin. Unlike traditional trucks, the Cybertruck's interior is designed with simplicity and technology in mind, ensuring a premium and high-tech experience for both driver and passengers. Tesla's all-electric powertrain makes the Cybertruck one of the most energy-efficient pickups ever produced. With an estimated range of up to 500 miles per charge on the tri-motor version, it eliminates range anxiety while offering impressive endurance.